burya nagira ndakubwire
I want
ngo
to tell you that
nta na rimwe
no one day
uzoba uri kurakora igikorwa c'Imana
when you serve God,
ngo ubure abagwanizi,
you will not miss to have the enemies.
ahubwo burya atabagwanizi ubonye
If there are no enemies,
uze wibaza ikibazo
think and ask you
ati
something.
mbega burya iki gikorwa ndiko ndakora vy'ukuri ni ic'Imana,
This work that I'm doing, is it really from God?
kuko igikorwa c'Imana
Because God's work,
kiragira abagwanizi,
we always have
abantu
enemies.
barakigwanya
People will be against it.
kuko abagwanya Imana barahari,
Because there are so many people
na n'uyu
against our
munsi
God.
barahari,
Even today they are
n'isi yose
alive.
barahari,
In the whole world they are alive.
abagwanya ivy'Imana,
Who are against
kandi
God's work.
abagwanya ivy'Imana
Those who are against God's
baba
work,
bafise ibindi bashigikiye.
they have other things that they support.
Pawulo niwe yandikiye Timoteyo
Paul wrote Timothy,
mu cete kigira kabiri mu gice
In
cya
the
gatatu umurongo wa 12,
2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 12.
aramubwira ngo abagomba bose kugenda bubaha Imana
He told them those who want to respect God,
bazohamwa.
they will be hated by
Aha
people.
yari karamugabisha
He was just making him
kuko yari
ready
umuntu akiri muto yinjiye mu gikorwa
because he was
c'Imana,
young in the ministry.
kuko ucinjira mu gikorwa
Because when you go into the ministry
abantu bagukomera amashi
and people are clapping hands for you,
bagukeza,
they are congratulating you.
turagukeje,
They are saying
igikorwa
congratulations
winjiyemwo,
because of this
wo
work
kwibaza
of
ngo
God.
bizokwama bimeze uko,
You think that it will stay the same thing,
ariko ntibiguma biri uko.
but it won't remain the same
Nico
way.
gituma Pawulo yaremesheje
That's why
Timoteyo,
Peter comforted
aramubwira ati
Timothy
Timoteyo,
and said, Timothy,
ukabona utanguye
if
kugwanywa,
you see that you have so
umenye
many battles,
yuko abantu bose bagomba kugenda bubaha Imana,
know that people who want to respect God,
cyane cyane bari muri Kristo Yesu,
especially in Christ,
barahamwa.
they will be hated.
Na Yesu yarabwiye abigishwa biwe,
Jesus told his disciples,
abantu bariko baramukurikira,
those who were following him,
nabo nyene kwari ukugira ngo
it was because
abategure
he wanted to prepare them
bamenye ko atari ukuzokwama barya imikate
so that they
gusa,
know that they will not be eating bread only,
bakoma amashi amuguruye ibimuga,
that they will be healing people.
ariko yarababwiye amajambo akomeye muri Matayo
But he told them in Matthew
16 umurongo wa 24,
chapter 16 verse 24,
arababwira ngo umuntu niyagomba
he
kunkurikira,
told them if someone wants to follow me,
kuko hari abamukurikira batwenga
because
banezerewe
they were
nyene
following him
biryoshe
happy,
kujana
laughing,
nawe,
he was very happy to go with him.
ngo umuntu wese agomba
And he
kunkurikira
told them, whoever wants to follow me,
niyiyanke,
you have to deny yourself
yikorera umusaraba
and
wiwe,
carry your cross
hanyuma
and then
cankurikira.
follow me.
Yashaka kubabwira ngo
He wanted to tell them
kunkurikira si umunyenga
that to
gusa,
follow me is not just happiness.
nubwo tubiririmba ngo kwibera muri Yesu
As
n'umunyenga
we sing that to
w'Imana,
be in Jesus is like to be happy.
ariko bisukiranijwe no guhamwa.
But it's also mixed by being hated.